All right, good morning. Spoos, 12:13 as we speak. We told our members this morning at pittrades.com that we're looking for a test this morning off the open of the pivot, which was around 1194. We got to 1194.50. And from there, we were looking to buy a breakout of 1206 was our spot. We hit that pretty quickly in the next 25, 30 minutes, and here we are at 12:13. The trade is over for us. We've taken the profits, and the trade set up very nicely. Again, a very aggressive trader today would have bought that 1194 and stopped, say, 2 points below that 1192 in case we wanted to test that 1180 area again. I've been saying this for the last 2 days with the FOMC meetings today and tomorrow, the rate announcement at 11 a.m. Pacific time, approximately tomorrow. Nothing will happen there. There'll be no changes in rates, nothing. But it is a forced intervention, and during these times, I think you really have to settle down, take some time off. The volume is very thin. The trading is thin because the pros just step aside. We're not going higher, as you can see. We're still at that 1214 level. We're not going lower. We're holding that 1180. So it's very clear here today. We may get a little bit higher. We're already over the R1 for an intraday, but we're not busting new levels. 1216 is key here. The R2, we may still see that today on an intraday basis, but swing-wise, there's not a lot going on here. You've got the dollar continuing to strengthen on the macro picture. You've got oil just chopping around. Oil is just trading in concert with the SPOOs right now. If you look at the charts, they're almost identical. They turn at the same time, right at 7 a.m. Pacific. Boom. A macro buyer comes in, an algo buyer, and this market is being driven by the computers. It always is, but the volume is such that the retail guy is not having much of an effect. The volume is all algos, very light, very thin, and there's really no sense to put yourself out there right now for more than a quick trade. Again, we pulled a nice 5 points out of this trade, 1206 to 1211. We ran up to 1213. And join us over at pittrades.com. We've got a swing service. We've got an intraday service, depending on what you're looking at. And there's really something for everybody. So we'll see you on the other side again today. Tomorrow is the announcement on the rates. They are meeting today and tomorrow. We've had this run up. We'll probably pull back. Let's see if we can test that 1200 level again today. You might get a buyback opportunity there, but I don't see us changing much out of this context, say 1180 to 1220 into the meeting tomorrow and into the interest rate announcement, which again I expect no changes, just the same old. We need more taxes, less expenditures from Bernanke. So he's getting into that talking. Geithner are talking more about policy than anything right now. So they're both fiscal and monetary hawks all over the place now, and the intervention nation continues. Trading is thin, it's light. Be careful out there, and don't overtrade. The money was made early this morning, and get yourself out there. Bye.